70s Chemex coffee. Oh. Welcome to the 70s! Oh. Can we talk just a minute? Let's talk just a minute! You see the button? In the old Chemex paperwork, it says that button represents 15 fluid ounces. That is not true with this green stamp Chemex. This middle of the button is about 18 ounces. Right to the bottom of the button is about 16. And 15 is about down here. That's 3 5-ounce cups of coffee. Up here is 20. That's why we went 20. Thanks for joining me this Thursday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.